Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you. I got the Tiffany prop from Home Depot. I'm gonna unbox her today. The box is huge. There it is, the box. Go a little backer. Pretty nice. It says Chucky on top, pretty nice. Let's go ahead and open her now, take her pieces out. And if I do a lot of parts, I'm sorry guys, because I don't want to bore you with when I struggle to build her. Tape really well. Ooh. And she's cool in person. When I saw her today, she's pretty cool. Okay. Here's everything. First we have the head. Pretty big, her head. Like that. Had her head. And then two shoes, left and right. Right here. Shoes. Is this tied down or not? Okay, it's not tied down good. Okay, here's the upper torso piece. It says do not remove there. This is the torso. Make sure she's off. Okay. Torso piece with the servo motors in there. Pretty cool. Her poles. And then her arms. Pretty cool. The leather jacket, we have it here. Smells good, by the way. And her knife arm. Pretty nice. We have her dress right here. And last but not least, adapter. Don't forget the adapter. Alright. Base as well. Instructions. Let me see if that's it. Put to the side. Alrighty. Let's see how you build this. So this goes in front where the shoes go. Okay, let's see. Okay, base. Okay. IR sensor. Alrighty, let's start with the shoes first. So that's what I need to put. Base right there. Now, take the shoes out. Shoe to other shoe. Now these go in first. Left. Hold on, guys. Please hold. Sorry for taking long. Alright guys, sorry. It's only doing setup videos. That one. Perfect. Now we gotta put the shoes on now. that one. Other shoe. Perfect. Next thing we gotta put is the torso, which is here. That's the next piece. Torso piece. Come on, guys. I'm sorry. Please hold. Alright, guys. I'm sorry. So there's the upper body now. First is that the next thing is the dress, so slide it over the torso. Really, let me feel it. I've not felt the dress. Oh wow. It feels pretty nice. Good quality. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this over her like that. And use the ear connection, put it in the back. Okay guys. Alright, I'm going to do it in parts because I'm sorry, so I'm going to bore you. End of part 1.